Hi, I'm Nikki and this is my dad Dave, and we're online business consultants and we live on the Gold Coast, Australia.
I've been helping people start businesses online and scale up existing businesses since 2000, and Nikki joined me in about 2008.
In this video, we will cover why we set up Rent to Own your online store. How does a rent to own online store work? The advantages of having a rent to own online store, and how you can sell anything or do anything with your online store. What's included with your online store? And what sort of money can I expect to make? How much is it to get started? What's our guarantee? A question we get a lot of is, why did we set up Rent to Own your online store?
Over the last few years, we've had many requests from people who wanted an online business that was easy to set up and maintain, affordable to start and run, and something that could be done part-time, as most people are time poor. We know most people want to make money, however, they don't want to be the salesperson. And to sell high-ticket or expensive products, say $1,000 or more, you need to be good at marketing and sales. However, with a rent-to-own store, you don't have to sell. People just buy. Let me explain. If a fashion-conscious woman wants a new red handbag to go with her new red shoes, or a keen fisherman wants a new fishing rod to go fishing, if you had what they want, do you have to sell or convince them to buy? No, you just need to put a selection of value for money, red shoes or fishing rods in front of them, and they will buy because they want them. They buy on emotion. They don't need to be convinced. They will just buy. Your rent to own your online store is easy, affordable, and it's fully automated, stocked with the best value, trending, and in-demand eBay or Amazon products. And the cool part is, you don't have to buy the products to have them in your store.
How does a Rent to Own online store work?
Rent to own your online stores are fully automated, selling other people's products online 24/7. Your store's software auto updates and synchronizes products, descriptions and pricing with your eBay or Amazon affiliate account. The actual sales are made back at eBay or Amazon, and your commissions are credited to your affiliate account. In saying that, eBay is far easier to deal with to create the automated interface. That's why we recommend eBay over Amazon. However, the choice is yours.
What are some advantages of a Rent to Own online store?
Rent to own online stores are easy online businesses that are set up for you. Your store is loaded with your choice of eBay or Amazon products. It's affordable to start and run, as you're paying it off as you go. Normally, to set up an equivalent website like this will cost you well over $3,000 or $4,000. And these rent-to-own online stores are automated. They auto-update the contents around the clock. Other advantages are, you're selling other people's products through eBay or Amazon. You have no product costs or acquisition costs, no packing and no shipping of products. It's all done for you, and no customer service hassles. Your store is global and you can make money 24/7 on autopilot. Imagine making money while you are sleeping or playing with the kids in the park. And the cool part is, it costs you only a few bucks a day, less than a cup of coffee, and your support and mentoring is included.
Another question we've been getting is, can I sell anything in my online store?
Yes, you certainly can sell anything. They could be other affiliate products or your own products. That is, once your online store is owned outright, which is after you pay out the rental payments. The fact is that there are plenty of ways to make more money per sale than selling eBay and Amazon products. However, all other ways take a lot more of your time and cost you more money to start and run. They also require a higher skill level in marketing and sales. When you've paid for your online store, we have the software and the plugins so that you can sell your own products and make payments and shipping orders that go through your store. Have stock control, create mailing lists, and much, much more. Yes, you can have a fully blown shopping cart website that you own, unlike a Shopify website that costs you a lot more per month and you never get to own it. We can also help you with high ticket affiliate products to sell on your site, and you can be making $100 to $1,000 per sale. However, you do need to become a good marketer and salesperson, and you'll need to be prepared to pick up the phone and talk to people. We can help you with affiliate products and mentoring when you're ready. Your online store is extremely versatile. We have the software so you can add landing pages, opt-in sales pages, a booking site, a directory, or a membership portal. And as you have control, when you own your website, you can host it anywhere, unlike a GoDaddy website or ClickFunnels or a Wix or Shopify or any of those other limited websites. At the end of the day, it's yours, and it's more flexible and more affordable than any other option.
What do you get with your online store?
You get an easy online business that is affordable to start and run and is fully automated. Your online store is set up and stocked for you, ready to start selling your choice of eBay and Amazon products. The automated software pulls in products that are the best picks, top buys, trending, and featured products, so your store is always stocked with in-demand products. Your store automatically updates your product's descriptions and pricing around the clock. Your online store is mobile friendly and has extra functionalities for SEO like no other. Two examples are: when product descriptions are pulled in from eBay or Amazon, the content is spun automatically, so Google doesn't penalize you for duplicated content. We also have your store set up so when you publish a blog article, the top 60 plus search engine bots are pinged to come and crawl your site for keyword indexing, which helps your Google ranking. We register a domain name for your online store and set up an email address so you have that professional business look. For hosting, we use a dedicated server which is faster, more reliable, and more secure than the El Cheapo shared hosting services that most others offer. We also set up automated backups and 24/7 security monitoring for your site. Your blog page is set up so you can quickly and easily publish articles and featured product posts. You also get free support and ongoing mentoring, including a free online business strategy session valued at $150. You have the ability to sell your own products. You have 100% control. Your website is extremely versatile. You can turn your website into a huge online store selling yours and other people's products. Or you can add a directory, a membership site, or create a word app out of your website. All the templates are included. So as you can see, we've covered all bases to make your online store easy, affordable, and automated. Plus, you don't have to pay for the products that you sell, just bank your commissions. As a bonus, in the footer of every page of your online store is your rent-to-own affiliate banner advert. Every time someone clicks on that rent-to-own ad to learn more, and then when they purchase their own online store, within 60 days, you make an easy $69. Now, $69 pays your rental and all your hosting, licensing, and support for a month. So, one referral a month and other people are paying off your online store.
We get asked, how much can I expect to make?
You won't become a millionaire just selling eBay and Amazon products. However, it is extra income with little or no effort. It's an easy, affordable and automated way to step into bigger paydays. Tell me, how much passive income do you make now? If you stopped working now, how much would you make in the next month? Okay, so another stream of income would help. eBay and Amazon pay 3.5% to 10% of the product's purchase price to you as an affiliate for just being the person in the middle, making that referral sale. You've invested no money in the products and very little time to make that commission. Let's compare that with selling your own products. You can make more per sale selling your own products. However, you will need to outlay tens of thousands of dollars and many hundreds of hours just to get started, with no guarantee of breaking even, let alone making a profit. In the future, we can show you how you can add other affiliate products and make $100 to $1,000 per sale with a fast ROI, return on investment. However, that requires more of your time and sales skills.
What is the cost to get started?
The setup and deposit for your rent-to-own online store is normally $599. However, today, get 50% off. Act today, act now, and save $300. The limited time offer is an easy 4 payments of $99 or a once-off $299. You get your online store selling your choice of eBay products. It's easy and it's done for you. It's an automated online store. It's affordable, less than $2.50 a day. You get to pay off your online store. That's a total of $69 a month, which is made up of $40 per month for your rent-to-own payments over 36 months, or receive a 30% off discount if you pay it out early. And there is $29 per month. That is less than $1 a day for hosting, software, licensing, support, and mentoring. So the monthly repayment to start with is $69 a month, then it drops to $29 a month. Okay, be warned, the 4 easy payments of $99 or once off $299 setup and deposit is a limited offer. It won't last, so take action now. Next time you come back, it'll be $599.
What is the guarantee?
We guarantee that you will get an online business that is easy to operate, affordable to start and run, and fully automated. A website that is flexible and versatile, and you have complete control without the normal commercial risks of business. We also guarantee if you follow our mentoring and guidance, you will make money online. The amount of money is only limited to your imagination and your willingness to take action.
Okay, let me recap for you. You can get started today with 4 easy payments of $99 or a once-off of $299. And you'll have a fully automated online store selling other people's products on eBay. And the rent-to-own repayments, hosting, support, and mentoring all will cost you less than a cup of coffee a day.
Your next step is simple. Scroll down the page and complete the store agreement and select either 4 payments of $99 or the once-off $299. Let us help you achieve your dreams. Your success starts now. Scroll down the page and get started.